All right, we are at the Schuster terminal. Right now, I gotta get my truck worked on. So basically, I'm in the waiting area. She done had her shower. I gotta wash these dishes, all these dishes. Hey, they got the best mocha machines, man. I'm about to make me one. But let me do these dishes first. She's getting better though. She's getting better with being social. So they let you bring your pets into the terminal, of course, like most terminals do. But this is where, if y'all guys thinking about coming to Schuster, and if you do, use Pinky Dabney for a referral. This is the recruiting office. This is the restrooms. This is where you do orientation. This is where we did orientation. And this is the lounge. And this is where you actually come in at. That's HR, all that good stuff. This is the welcoming area. This is where you turn your bills in at. That's where you turn your bills in at. All that good stuff. And like I said, across the street is the shop and the driver's lounge. Like I'm in Bay 2. I'm in Bay 2 right now. Yep. Like I said, I can't complain. I really can't complain. Hey girl. Hey girl. Little pretty self you. That my pretty girl. Ah, no jumping. Stop. Just cut it. Alright. Oh, they provide stuff for you. That's cool. Like I can wash it on my truck, but if I can do something that's a little bit more convenient, then why not? Shit. Shit. I even wash my coffee pot. You gotta wash the inside of that thing sometimes. Definitely gotta wash this. That dirty shit. I mean, Grant, I ain't gonna say my truck is squeaky clean, but it ain't no fucking filthy dirty either. And definitely when it comes to my eating utensils, gotta be sanitary, man. Shit, I don't see how truck drivers can be disgusting. I don't see it. My mom ain't raised me that way, bro. My mom ain't raised me that way. Ooh, this one's stank. Alright, I am all done. Put my stuff back where I got it from. Wipe the counter up, clean up your mess. Get everything. Don't just leave no mess. If people is nice enough to let you use their establishment for you to live out here, it's just common courtesy. Clean up after your fucking self. So, okay, this is my rag. Put my coffee pot. All right. So this is my dish bag. Now, I just gotta wait until my truck get finished. She's getting better though. She just let this guy pet her, so I just have to keep socializing her no matter whether she like it or not, cause you gonna learn how to behave in public. You hear me, bro? We ain't biting people around here, bro. You heard me? Bro, see, she keep trying to give me the pause, bro. She learning though. That's my baby. That's my baby, bro. See, she play too much. She play too much. Y'all have a great day.